So good day guys, today I'm going to show you on how to add, import, and manage contacts inside your Zapify.io sub account. So to do that, first go to contacts from the left sidebar. So click that and madto mo diri ah. So after that, you can now add manually contacts. Just click the add contacts and fill in the details. So okay siya. Add na, dito na nato na siya, add contacts. Okay, so let's fill in some details. For example, kini, then my phone number, contact type, so you can also select time zone here. So Asia, ano itong tadi? So kana siya. Call, email, okay, so once you are done filling up information, you can also add a profile here. So you can upload the image of your contact and save it. So you can also import contacts in bulk. So to do that, click this import and then click next. Then from here, upload your CSV file containing the contact information. So wala man tayo CSV file. Cancel lang sa. And then we can also use the search bar to search existing contacts like si Jovan. Yeah. So and we can also use filters like we can filter it by age. So ano equals to tax value 10. So um, years, then apply na to. So wala may 10 years old sila ha. So no contacts found. So and that's it.